Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, just stay tuned and I'll teach you how. So today we're going to start off, this is the first time I'm using this primer. I got a sample in the mail from VDL Luma Layer Primer. And then after that, with a wet beauty blender, we are going to blend out our Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Beige.
Hands up, everybody get your fucking 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 hands up.
Now that we have that all blended out, I can already tell that I'm going to love this primer because it gives you such a perfect finish to your skin. I can already tell I'm gonna like it. But I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera since it makes it a little bit easier and faster for me to do. Now that I did my eyebrows, we are going to move on to eyeshadow, and today we are going to use the Color Workshop palette Exposed, and I love the casing. And then these are all the colors that it has. We are going to be using this color first down here, this matte lighter brown shade. And we're going to take, I have brushes today that I'm using, I honestly don't know where any of them are from. So this one we are going to be using, it's kind of fluffy and it's a bigger brush. And we are just going to use that brown color and we're going to put it all in our crease.
Turn up the depth!
Now we're going to go in with the darkest shade of brown on here that's matte, and we're going to take that with the same brush and we're going to go all the way as close as we can to right in the crease, just like that, and kind of bring it up a little bit.
Everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get your fucking hands up, everybody get up, everybody get up, everybody get your fucking hands up, everybody get your fucking hands up, everybody get your fucking hands up.
Next we're going to use the Maybelline's Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation, but I'm going to use it as concealer because I got it really light. And I'm going to use this brush to apply it. It has product on it, but it's like this. And we are going to use that to cut our crease. Since that is really time consuming, I did the other eye off camera, but now that that's all done, we are going to go in with the same palette, and I'm going to use this type of brush. It's kind of the fluffy one that I used before. And then we're going to take this cream color right here and put that, blowing off the excess, where we cut the crease. Now you can do any color you want, but I'm going to do this so it's not so dramatic or like too glitzy or anything. I just want like a matte look. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna go do my I'm gonna glue on false eyelashes and I'm gonna go do my eyeliner. I just finished doing my eyeliner and my eyelashes. My eyelashes are actually from Ellie Crown, which comes with, I brought it up in my other videos, comes with quite a few. I only have 3 left. But I love these. They work really good. They're super cheap and affordable. So now we're going to go in with, I like to do 2 coats of my foundation. So I'm going to do my second coat right now. And then we're going to move on to our concealer, which is going to go under our cheekbones, blend up, go up into around our forehead, each side of our nose to make, I like to do that anyways, to make our nose look a little more defined, and just blend it down here. I use Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pure Beige. It's number 235. And then for my blush, I don't really like to use blush too much, but I like just the tiniest little bit to give me some more color, even though I'm tanning off right now. But it is number 25, and it is called Rose. Almost forgot to tell you guys, after you're done doing your foundation, I like to put on a medium translucent powder, and this is by LA Colors. I just wanted to not skip that step on you because it does make a big difference if you have oily or combination skin. Blended out the blush and the bronzer on our cheekbones, so you can't tell that much. Like I said, I don't like blush. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to my favorite part, the highlighter. Today we have the Luminous Gold by Ulta, and I'm going to use a sponge, a small little sponge, take a couple drops and dab it on each side of our cheekbones, bridge of our nose, chin, and I like to do a tiniest little bit right here. To do after the highlighter is take my Ulta brush right here. It's a little, like, I think this is supposed to be for blush, but I like to use it to just blend out my cheekbones and wherever I put my highlighter. Since I was using a sponge, I don't want to be able to see the dabs or anything like that. So blend that out. Okay, next we are going to go in. I'm going to take the darkest shade that we use from the Exposed palette and fade, like, smoke it out underneath our eye, and I'm going to use a brush like this. It's like a rounded, like, kind of stiff brush, and we are going to go in and do that right now. now that I smoked out both sides of the bottom lashes, I ended up taking some mascara and putting it along the bottom lash line. Next, we're going to go in with Revlon's lipstick. This is the color Honey Bear, and it is number 840. And we're just going to take that and add some shine to this look. So this is the final look. And if you guys want to see me go into more detail of how I did anything at all, just comment below, let me know, and I will make a video on whatever you guys want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for visiting my channel.